Hello, hello. Today we're going to be talking about rotations, and we're going to be doing it using a compass and also a ruler. I'm going to also teach you another way in case you don't have a compass, so you can still do it at home. All right, compass method. Our first question asks, rotate 90 degrees around point J. So it's not really specifying which direction, it just says 90 degrees. We're going to go ahead and do a very simple version of that. My strategy for you guys, if we're ever doing rotations, do it point by point. So we're going to rotate AB. So it would normally tell us what to rotate. Let's say it says rotate line AB. If it says rotate line AB 90 degrees around point J, then what we're going to do is point by point. We're going to rotate each one around point J. So let me get my compass. Let me match up the center. That's this center point right here. Match it up on J. And then I'm going to put my pencil part on my first point. If we're doing A first, I'm going to go ahead and match it up on A. So I can make it smaller or bigger so that it matches on A. I'm going to have to make it a little bit smaller. Boom. All right, I'm on A. Now we're going to go 90 degrees. I'm going to do it, let's do counterclockwise first. Okay, so I'm going to go in this direction. So I'm holding this point down on the ground firmly, and I'm slowly moving the pencil. So make sure this is firmly on J. This is on A. And I'm going to slowly move the pencil. Okay, I'm going to do it until I go 90 degrees. And if you don't know what a 90-degree angle looks like, go ahead and make a line going towards your point. Make a 90-degree angle. And then draw another line going towards where you think your point is going to be. Okay, and you can see where my angle stops is where I'm going to put my new point. This is going to be A prime. Okay, so we moved A all the way to A prime. Let's do this again for B. Okay, again, we're going to move B now 90 degrees, so I'm going to have to make this a little bit smaller. Again, putting the center on J, putting my pencil on B, make it bigger or smaller so it fits. Okay, and then just go ahead and get started on there. Where'd my pencil go? Okay. Let me get a new pencil tip, sorry. Okay. Center on J, pencil on B. Okay, make your arc. And again, we're going to see how much is 90 degrees by making our line going to B, and then a 90-degree angle, and then making another line where you think your point is going to land. Okay, so 90 degrees. Here's where it touches the arc, so we're going to make our point there. See, line, arc. The intersection is where our point is. That is going to be where B is ending up, B prime. And lastly, we can mark our new line. So AB was here, and it moved now here after a 90-degree rotation. Okay, 90 degrees clockwise would have looked like the exact same method, but just rotated in the opposite direction. Just going to do that really quickly for you. Okay, match J and A. We're going to make our arc. And then make our line going to A. Make our 90-degree angle. Make our line going towards the arc. Mark the point of intersection. This is A prime. Okay, again, we can do it for B. Put our pencil there. Okay, we lined it up. Make our arc. Okay, make our line to B. Make our 90-degree angle. Make our line going towards the arc. Okay, here's our 90-degree angle. Put your point where it lands on the arc and the line. That is your B prime. And then go ahead and connect the two. I'm going to do this one in red. A prime to B prime. And that's AB rotated 90 degrees clockwise. Okay. You can do the exact same thing for this one. Here it asks rotate 180 degrees counterclockwise around point D. So we do the same thing. We're going to get our compass, and I'm going to give you guys a minute to do this on your own. Let's pause. Okay, let's do it together. And D to X first. Make our arc. We're going to go counterclockwise, so might as well go this direction. Okay. Make our line to X. Get our 180 degree angle, which is just continuing in the opposite direction. And then where your line intersects the arc is where you're going to make your point. So there's X prime. Do that for all of them. I'm going to do it really quickly. D to Y. 180-degree angle. Mark the point of intersection. Label it. It'll be the same for Z now. 1 second, I'm patient. Make your line 180 degrees, stops right here on the arc. That's going to be my Z prime. Go ahead and connect your 3 new points, and you have your rotated figure. That's 180 degrees counterclockwise, which is actually the same as clockwise 180-degree rotation. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later.